Zombie apocalypse.
What's up, gamers? Today we're gonna be learning how to make a endless runner in one video, and it's not a long video. At least I hope not. Because it's super easy, super simple, and we'll get started right away. But before we do, I want to tell you guys something. I can't change my Scratch name, so my YouTube name is gonna be different, and my Scratch name is gonna be different. But the profile picture is gonna be the same. So yeah. Anyways, now that we have that out of the way, let's real quickly get a car from the internet, because I don't know how to make a car. So, car, top down, images. Let's go to tools, color, transparent. Okay. So, they have a lot of nice cars here. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And well, actually, maybe the yellow one. I think I'm gonna go with the yellow. I'm just gonna save the image, call it car. Okay, boom. Now, let's get rid of that. Okay, upload. Let me go into my images. Okay, I'm gonna upload the car if I can find it. Is there no car? Oh, car. Okay. There we go. Now, I don't think we'll be needing Google, so let's size down the car real quick. Let's set the size to what? 35? Is that a good size? What? 35. Okay. 35 is still humongous. 10. 10 is not. Okay. Okay, 25 seems good. And then we'll make it point in direction 0. So it's pointing up. Bam. Now, for the backdrop, we're going to have to paint a road. So let's set that line to 0. Get myself a little gray box. Is that what roads? Is that the color of a road? I'm not too sure, but let's boop. Okay, center that. Now let's divide this up into 3 lanes. So we have a lane right there, and then we have a lane right there, and I think they're pretty evenly spaced out. One thing I will do though is make that lighter, and then make these a white. So bam. All right. Also, I'm just gonna go ahead and center them, and probably change their thickness up to 30. Oh wait, dang it. Good. Okay, 30. All right, there. So that's looking pretty nice so far. Now, if we go inside of our car, let's make it so that we can move left and right. So let's do one green flat clicked. Forever, we're going to set our Y. So just set Y. Well, no, actually, we don't need to do that. We can just do if key right arrow pressed. Boom. So if key right arrow pressed, we want it to move over. So, I'm going to drag out a change X by 10. Alright, oh wait, change X by 10. And I'm gonna click this however many times it takes me to get to there. And I'm gonna count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. 16? Okay, I think 16 is about right. So then we're going to change X by 160 because 16, and then we're going to have to multiply that by 10. So now, wait. We also need to add a go to X 0, and then y negative 67. Oh, wait, okay, and then we have to add a wait until not key right pressed. So key right pressed. Now, boom, we can move over, but then we can move over again. So, let's get rid of, let's just take that out for now, and do if, then drag it up or. So, our x position, when we do that, oh, wait, okay, boom. When we do that is x160. So what we can do is if it's equal to, boom, okay, and then we can drag out x position. So if x position is equal to 160 or negative 160, oh wait, let's drag this in not actually, not, boom, bam. Now, boom, we can't move over to the right any farther. And now we just duplicate this entire thing and then just change this to left arrow, this to left arrow, and this to just negative 160. Now, boom, we have, oh wait. Right, we only need that for there and this for there. Okay, now everything should be working. Okay, there we go. So, now, let's add some obstacles. Alright, so I'm going to paint a new sprite, and let's just make this another car. So I'm going to convert this to vector, copy that, paste it, convert it to bitmap again, and now make like red cars, I don't know. Okay, this is looking horrible. So I'm not gonna paint a car. I'm just gonna paint like, I don't know, a circle. Yeah, okay. Okay, so you guys definitely take your time with the art. And I'm gonna call this ball. Okay. Now we can do when green flag clicked, forever. Wait, let's add a hide first. But forever, wait, pick random. What? Oh wait, it's here. Okay. Pick random. 1 to 3. Let's do actually 1 to 5 seconds. Create a clone of myself. Boom. Alright. Now, when I start as a clone, so let's actually call this L ball. So that stands for left ball. So it's gonna appear on the left side of the screen, right? And let's change this to negative 160. So it's centered with the car. Okay. So when I start as a clone, we're going to go to, and the Y is actually going to be way higher. So like that, right? Change this to 160, negative 160. And then we're going to want to repeat until touching car or, right, or, well, actually, let's just do repeat until touching edge for now, okay? And then we're going to change Y by 10. Change Y by 10. Also, let's just add a show here. So now if we click the green flag. Oh wait, this needs to be negative then. Oh wait. Okay, actually repeat until, okay, I messed up there. Sorry about that, guys. But we gotta, I just want to test something. set x to -191. And yes, okay, that puts it, what was that? Okay, that puts it at the bottom. So, what we can do now is drag it out, or drag it out, or equal to, greater than, oh no, actually, it'll be less than because we're going into negatives. So, y position, and then -191. Okay, now we can add the change y by -10. And now if I just see, it comes down. But they don't disappear. So let's add a delete this clone. And now let's also make a variable called score. We'll set score to 0 at the beginning. Just delete that, okay. And I'm going to move this up to the center here. And if you double click on it, it'll change what it's like. So I want it to be just a counter. Or you could right click it and then do that. But anyways, then we're gonna just change score by 1 here. So now there we go, we get a point. But it's not really that fun because you know that they're gonna spawn here. So we duplicate this and call this mball. Okay. Oh wait, actually, before we do that, let's code in the death thing. Let's code in where we can like die. So when I start as a clone, we're going to do if forever, if touching car, and for now we're just gonna stop all. Right? So now if ball spawns, it'll stop everything if it touches us. Now we can duplicate this, call this mball. Okay, boom. Now, all we just gotta do is this go-to. We just change this to 0. Now we'll duplicate this, call this rball. So mball stands for middle ball, right ball, left ball. And then we will do -160. Boom. Oh no, there's actually gonna be 160. Okay. Right. So they are all gonna spawn at random times, random places. Actually, let's add some variation. Okay. I'm just gonna change this to 4. Change this to what? Like, I don't know, 6, 7. Okay. So they're all varied. Oh dang. I am truly not good at this game. Okay. And you can see. Wait, what? Why'd the game stop? Boom, boom. Oh, it's because I touched it. Okay. Alright, I see why the game stopped. Okay. But now, you can add as many obstacles like this as you want. So, I'll just duplicate this, right? Like thrice. L-ball 2, M-ball 2. Okay, I'm gonna call this LSQ. I'm gonna call this MSQ. This is optional, by the way. But I'm just adding more enemies. So instead of circles, guess what? They're going to be squares. I know, right? Boom. Okay. Copy that. I'll delete that. I'll paste that. Delete, paste. Boom. Now we have more enemies. Literally. Oh. Okay, I'm super bad at this game. But we have a oh wait. Why are they not deleting? Oh wait, okay. So we're gonna have to change this down to like -180 because I made them smaller. So boom boom boom. Alright. So now, yeah, you can see they'll disappear. And oh, okay, well that was practically impossible. Well, yeah, okay. So, let's add just a little bit more detail. And let's call this, oh my god, okay. Road line, okay. Now, I'll just make like, just a gold, well actually, it's supposed to be yellow. So, more like that color, okay. Boom. Now, I'll make that go, dang, I aligned that perfectly. Okay, right there. So I'll do when green flag clicked, forever, wait 3 seconds, create a clone of myself. When I start as a clone, go to Y0. What's oh no. Y180. What's that? Okay, Y180. That's actually pretty good. And then we're going to, I'm just gonna, just yoink this code. Alright. And not the score. We don't need to change score by 1. But we do that. And now, oh wait, let's add hides and shows, and then set size to 100. Boom. Wait. What? Oh wait, create clone. Okay. So let's actually change this to 1, and we also have to go to back layer. Boom. Now, see, it looks like we're actually moving along a road. Now, we're gonna have to duplicate that thrice. Let's make this one for left. So let's change this to -160. And then just 160. So you only have to change one number. And there you go, guys. That is just your, game completed. And you can definitely add a lot more, like with the graphics and literally everything else. But, guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy, be sure to like, subscribe, smash the subscribe button. Comment down below. I don't get why you guys don't comment down below. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. So peace out.